Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on another layout using the Daisy Meadows paper collection from Close to My Heart that is new this month starting March 1st. And it is a really lovely collection. I've already made two-page layouts. So go back and look at my previous videos if you would like to. And this one uses two 12 by 12 pieces of peach cardstock and the plaid paper, which is becoming one of my favorites, is 6 by 6. Might be a 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 6. No, it's 6 by 6. 6 by 12, sorry. And just cut that yellow plaid. That is one of my favorites. Sorry, everything's my favorite, right? So cut that paper in half, and then you can just scan them or spread them across the 2 pages for the layout. And then I also use that peacock paper that has the raindrop effect on it. That's really nice, because March, well, it's April showers, but this is March layout, but it's okay. I can say it's rain. I hope it rains, not snow. So there I'm doing my folding method of spreading my glue so that it doesn't seep around, and I put that little strip of the yellow zip strip that I cut in the previous layout to scan across those 2 layouts. And that one I didn't glue down because I'm going to put photos there, and I didn't want to restrict myself to the location. And here I'm making some more of the, let's see, the zip strips are 1/2 inch, so I'm making 1/4 inch strips from that. And this zip strip has really slight rainbow dash lines. So, and I didn't get it quite straight, so I used my scissors to straighten it out, not a problem. And I always put my glue on the paper and then the strip on top of that for those little pieces. Because once you have glue on the strip and you try and put it down, yeah, too many times I've gotten glue everywhere. On myself, in my hair, everywhere. It's not a good thing. So here's the photo mats as they proposed them. And I'm going to use 4 6 by 4s. And there you see me cutting that strip so that it meets my needs. And I did add one of the photo mats. They had all 4 of them horizontal, and I made one a vertical because I do take them vertical. And there you can see you can wiggle those pieces up from the tape runner. If you wiggle it and you don't press it down real firmly before you press it down, you can still remove it pretty easily. If you wiggle it around, it comes up without tearing your paper. All right, and here I just pulled out a happy tag that's going to go on that page. And there, I'm cleaning up everything because that anti-static powder does leave a lot of dust when you use it. It does a great job making things not sticky, in addition to using it for your embossing, right? And this bunny rabbit's so cute. They give you quite a few options of little rabbits to use. And that one paper, you can also cut all kinds of them out, if you like the fussy cut anyway. So there he is with the happy word sticker. And a flower. Now this layout does have a lot of watercolored stamped images, so I will be going through some watercoloring here coming up, and I will just let the music play during that. If you don't want to see the watercoloring, then you can fast forward. Here I'm trying to manipulate to put the bunny in between those 2 layers because I didn't have that yellow strip go in between there. I didn't gauge that right. Okay, so now we're going to get into the watercoloring. So I will put the music on and let it play while you watch this, and catch me on the other side. Okay, all done watercoloring those, and I just tried to make them match the other colors in the paper. And I enjoy that. It's relaxing. And now I'm trying to lay out all the little embellishment that I have for this to make it match. And I find out I've got to watercolor some more, so we'll be doing that here in a second. There you are. Thought I'd jump on here and just mention that I use a paper towel to dab off excess water. I tried to lighten some of those leaves of the green, and then I use the paper towel to soak up the water that's in that little palette side of the watercolors. And here I finally am going to start gluing some things down. And there are close-ups at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned so you can see those. And some of the flowers, I tried to, you could see me pull it away as I was coloring. I put it up to the other flowers on the layout to make sure they matched. They were a like color, so they all looked like they belonged together, and nothing was out of whack. And there's a cute butterfly that comes in that stamp set. The stamp set actually has some really nice images. It has a flower, that really nice flower, and the butterfly, and some leaves, and then the words are "Spring is in the air and new beginnings." Okay, now we're going on to the other side. And here's where I decide I'm going to put one of them horizontal and one vertical. And even though I put the place your photo here, both the same way. It's okay. You can use them the other way. I'll put photos on it relatively quickly so no one will ever know. And those white strips are for journaling. That's one of the things close to my heart likes to do is put the white strips there for journaling. Because we need to remember to journal, and I'm as guilty as everyone else. And this is how I fill up my little water brush. You just use a little squirt bottle and squirt water in there. And we're going to watercolor some more, but I'm going to skip through this. You don't need to see it all. So the magic of video, it's all done. And that's one of the really nice things about coloring stamped images. You can make them match whatever you're doing. Oh, a little crooked there. Another great reason why you can take that tape up. I usually don't take all the foam off of my stickers. You only really need a few to get it stuck down. You just put the foam adhesive all over it so that the dimension is there and it doesn't get squished. Technical term there, squished. And we are just about done. So thank you again for watching and joining me here on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Take care.